How to permanently delete text messages on iPhone. To permanently delete text messages on iPhone, you first need to open up the default messaging app on your iPhone. You will see Conversations over here. Now, tap a message from the inbox and slide it to your left. A delete option will appear. Now, tap on the delete option. A menu will appear on your screen. Then, tap delete from the menu. Now, tap on this icon in the top left corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear on your screen. Then, tap the Show Recently Deleted option from the menu. Select the conversation. Then, tap the Delete button at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the first option to permanently delete the messages. Then, tap on Done at the top right corner. By following these simple steps, you can permanently delete text messages on your iPhone.